My name is Professor Andrea Lista, and I'm the director of the Institute of Maritime Law and a professor in Maritime and Commercial Law. The Institute of Maritime Law is actually the oldest institute of maritime law in the world. So maritime law as a subject was born here in Southampton many years ago, and still now we are the leading institute in maritime law in the world. The Institute of Maritime Law was the first one in the world to establish a residential course for practitioners coming all over the world to study maritime law and to be trained in maritime law by us. It's again the oldest course and is still a unique course in the world. So every year we train maritime lawyers coming from all over the world to study with us maritime law in the summer. And this year we just finished our 49th course in maritime law for practitioners, and next year we are looking forward to celebrating our 50th short course for practitioners in maritime law. The Institute of Maritime Law comprises a vibrant cluster of academics but also practitioners who practice in all the areas of maritime law, starting from contracts of conclusion ship and temps, going to business lading, casualty goods by sea, law of the sea, insurance law, and arbitration and admiralty law. So we cover and we encompass in terms of areas of expertise all areas of maritime law, both from a private law perspective but also from a public law perspective. We use all our wealth of expertise in this area of law in order to teach our students on the LLM. So students on the LLM, they can benefit from a leading education in this specific segment of the law, and we're really proud to provide this service to them. In terms of the Master in Maritime Law, we are talking about a master which teaches students to advise clients in all areas which are related to maritime law. And in terms of relevance for their future and their future careers, well, if we think that 90% of all goods traded globally are carried by sea, well, this I think says it all in terms of how relevant this area of law is and how relevant it is all over the world. So our students are going to be able and capable of, after doing our LLM, of going out there and advise clients in maritime law wherever they are and wherever they want to go in the world. The Institute of Maritime Law has some specific placements for students with the P&I clubs in London, and we also organize visits for them in London, and plus we also organize Wednesday seminars where we have practitioners from London who are affiliated with the Institute of Maritime Law who come here and spend their time talking about maritime law in practice and in the industry and giving advice in terms of future job opportunities to our students. In terms of research, the Institute of Maritime Law is always at the forefront in the various current themes in maritime law. So we organize events in relation to topics which are relevant for the industry and in the world of maritime law as a general level. So we take pride on leading the academic debate on the current themes and important themes in maritime law. Anyone who's interested in this area of law, if you're coming from the industry or if you're a student interested in doing our LLM or a practitioner who wants to join our short course for practitioners in maritime law, please do get in touch with us. I'm going to be very happy to provide you any available information for you to make your informed decision, and we're looking forward to working with you in the future.